We're at the river. I'm trying to climb the rocks. And this is Dennis Messiah trying to catch a fish. He's a fisherman now. Water.
See the view?
Look at the view.
That's the deepest one in the middle.
Woo. The deepest one in the middle, okay? It's you. Little meadow.
This is the Dewey.
Look at the meadow.
Sabihin mo, ito yung pinagdugtungan. Why? Why? That's the small river. This is the main river. It meet together, so there's a sinkhole there.
Yeah. Very carefully cross the unwanted river, not try to drop the phone, too. I did it. I'm right here. Dong dong. Chung chung. Look at the view. Look at the sky. Very pretty. Look at this water.
No, ano mo, Drew,
It is
yung
big.
deepest, the wavy one.
The wavy one is that deep. So deep. If somebody goes in there, they're drowning to death. If they catch it. And
If we see animals, let's
take a picture. Hey, if there are animals here, they can be cool. I'm gonna wash my feet. Ooh, what the heck is that? What is that? What is that?
Don't too much, Drewy. Take another video from me again.
There's a little worm in there.
Okay, take another video. Stop that again.